Let's put the lime in the coconut and add some gin and bake 'em up.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone. Start off with 4 large egg whites, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of gin, 1½ teaspoons of grated lime zest, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Then you're going to beat this together or whisk it together until combined, and basically whisk until most of the sugar is dissolved. Now for the dry ingredients, you need 1 package 14 ounces of sweetened shredded or flaked coconut, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and just stir that together. Once that's combined, add in your egg white mixture, and it turns a nice little shade of green because of the lime and the gin, I think. And stir that around until it's combined. Now using a cookie scoop or a tablespoon, you're going to take dollops of this and put it on a cookie sheet. I like a cookie scoop because it makes very similar sized cookies. You can crowd these quite a bit because they don't spread very much. Then you're going to bake them at 350 degrees, 15 to 18 minutes until the tops are light brown. Make sure you're on a silicone mat or some parchment paper because these will stick. Once they're baked and cooled, you can dip the bottoms into some white chocolate if you'd like, and put them on wax paper or a silicone mat and just allow them to harden. These are absolutely delicious. I love the lime flavor. I don't know what the gin does exactly. I'm not sure if you could taste the gin, but it adds something to this recipe because it gives them a very, very nice flavor. I love macaroons, and these might be my favorite that I've ever made so far, all the recipes that I've tried, and these are going to be my go-to macaroons for this year's Christmas cookie platter. This recipe is going on my Christmas treats and cookies playlist. This is on your screen right now. Go ahead and click it if you want to see more great goodies to try for Christmas. And thank you so much for watching.